At Fact Professional Inc., we know you have a business to run, and the last thing you want to do is spend all of your time managing your accounting. We are here to make your life easier by managing your bookkeeping while you focus on running your business. So what is bookkeeping and why is it necessary? Bookkeeping is the record keeping of your financial transactions for your business. It keeps all of your transactions organized. This includes your purchases, payments, sales, and all other financials. Proper bookkeeping can be helpful for a few reasons, like ensuring you don't miss out on any deductions. The better your records are kept, the easier it is to know what deductions you can claim. Bookkeeping also helps you to have a clear understanding of where your money is going and in what percentages. With proper documentation, you can always know exactly how much money you have, how your sales are fluctuating, and what you're spending in different categories. Without bookkeeping, you risk surprise charges, overspending, bank errors, and other issues. Bank errors are common for businesses, and if you're only organizing your books at the end of the year, it's easy to miss those errors. Managing your bookkeeping for your business can be overwhelming. There's a lot of information that needs to be organized, and a lot of documentation that goes along with it. If you're new to bookkeeping, you're probably wondering how to get started with it all. Here are a few steps that can make the whole process easier. Number 1. To get started, the first thing you have to do is separate your business expenses from your personal expenses. Keep your finances separate by opening a business bank account. Number 2. Next, you need to choose the method of accounting, either cash or accrual. An accounting method defines when you count your incoming money. Is it when you bill the customer or when you deposit the actual money in your account? Number 3. Now it's time to get automated. Keeping your records by hand or noting them on a spreadsheet is slow and outdated. Instead, use a bookkeeping software and link your bank account to it automatically and accurately track your transactions. There are a few options you can use, like Wave, QuickBooks, or others. Number 4. Putting off your bookkeeping until the end of the year can cause a lot of issues in your finances. Instead, perform regular weekly checks on your books to ensure everything is correct. In addition to weekly checks, perform in-depth revisions on a quarterly basis. Number 5. Keep detailed records of all of your business expenses you plan on deducting. Keep records of all of your expenses by scanning any paper receipts, and always use your business bank account for business purchases. Number 6. Be aware of your accounts receivable to ensure that your customers are paying their invoices when they should be. When customers don't pay, it can cause cash flow problems within your business. Number 7. Missing a tax deadline can be a nightmare, so it is essential that you plan ahead. Set aside money for paying taxes and always be aware of deadlines to avoid any fines. Number 8. For further assistance, let our team of experienced individuals at Fact Professional Inc. help you manage your business finances. For more information, visit our website at factprofessional.com.